Migrating from Tableau to Power BI has always been slow, complex, and costly, until now. Say goodbye to weeks of manual effort and broken dashboards. Introducing Pulse Convert, the first and only AI-powered migration tool that seamlessly converts your Tableau dashboards into Power BI reports with 90 to 99% accuracy. You just simply drag and drop your .twbx file into the platform. With just one click, our AI engine instantly translates the entire dashboard structure, preserving visuals, data, filters, and logic. In less than 2 minutes, your Power BI report is ready. Click OK to download the converted pbix file and start using it with minimal adjustments. Your .pbix file is instantly available. Open Power BI report instantly, fully structured, interactive, and ready to use. Here's the sales trend dashboard, showcasing real-time sales trend insights. Switch tabs to dashboard. Here you see customer-wise order data, sales by deal size, etc. Pulse Convert delivers instant, accurate, and hassle-free migration. Our user get 2-minute migration, 90 to 99% accuracy, 0 manual fixes, and save time and costs. For Pulse Convert, visit innovationalofficesolution.com for more detail.